Now let us see the changes which occurred in Russia after the October Revolution. Now you all know that the Bolsheviks were against private property. Therefore, all the industries and the banks were nationalized. The land was considered as a social property and nobody could own land. Those who owned large houses, their houses were partitioned according to the needs of the families. Then ban was put on all the old titles of aristocracy. Everybody was now considered to be equal. The Bolshevik party changed its name and was called the Russian Communist Party from hence on. There were elections in November 1917 in Russia, but the Bolsheviks lost in the election and Lenin dismissed the assembly. But due to the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk with Germany, Russia came out of the World War. Slowly and gradually, Russia became a one-party nation. That is, the Bolsheviks started gaining power slowly and gradually again. And the secret police, which was called Cheka, had control over everything in Russia. And the people, especially the writers and the artists, supported the Bolsheviks through and through. So such was the turmoil there, nothing was yet settled, everything was very uncertain and everybody was trying to gain power in some way or the other or trying to bring about a new administrative change in the country, and still there was a long way to go before actually the dust would get settled, and I continue with it in the next clipping.